Okay, we are working number 5 of the 2014 Cedar Ridge Middle School test. It says find the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line that passes through -5, 3. That means this line goes through this point and is parallel to this other line, 12x minus 3y equals 10. So we're going to start with this equation. We need the slope of this equation. So we're going to take 12x minus 3y equals 10, and we're going to put this in slope-intercept form. We're going to subtract 12x from both sides. We get negative 3y equals negative 12x plus 10. We're going to divide through by negative 3, and we're going to get y equals 4x minus 10 thirds. Now that slope-intercept is ugly, but we don't really care. All we care about right now is m. And in this case, m is 4. Here's why we care about m. This is one of the things you need to know. Parallel lines have the same slope. Okay? So, the slope of the line we're looking for, if it is parallel to this line, its slope is also 4. So now we have this point that they gave us. They gave us a point of -5, 3, and they gave us a slope of 4. We can find the equation of the line. They want it in slope-intercept form. So we're going to be playing off of y equals mx plus b. Now, we know m, right? We just found m. M is 4. We don't know the y-intercept. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this point in. This is an x value and a y value. So instead of y, we're going to say 3 equals, the slope is 4, m is -5, and we're going to add b, and we're going to solve for b. So we get 3 equals -20 plus b. We're going to add the 20 to both sides, and we get b is 23. So the the y-intercept of this line is 23. Now we have m, now we have b. We can say y equals 4x plus 23. That's the equation of my line, and I believe that is answer D. Number 6 is very similar, uses some of the same methods as number 5. So we're going to put this in the same video. Number 6 says a line passes through the points 4, -5, and 6, -9. What is the sum of the slope and the y-intercept? So we need the slope, we need the y-intercept of the line that goes through these 2 points. Well, we know how to find the slope, right? We're going to use our slope formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if I do x1, y1 and x2, y2, that's extremely messy. I get -9 minus a -5 over 6 minus 4. So I get what? -4 over 2, which is -2. So the slope of this line is -2. Got that. But I also need the y-intercept. So remember just a minute ago we found the y-intercept using a point and the slope. We can use either of these points we want. We can choose 4, -5. We can choose 6, -9. I'm going to choose 4, -5 just because it's smaller. If I had one that were both positives, I'd use that. I don't have that. They both got a negative in them. This is a little smaller, so let's use that. So we're going to take y equals mx plus b. I'm going to use this point. I'm going to plug -5 in for y equals, I found my slope was 2. X is 4 on that point, and I am solving for b. So -5 equals -8 plus b. I'm going to add 8 to both sides, and I get b is 3. Now, they said to find the sum of the slope and the y-intercept. Well, so that means we're going to find m plus b, right? So -2 plus 3 I get 1. I look, and that appears to be answer C.